Okay, so if you can see these little, there's somebody ready for a wedding, it looks like. Cool. Let's go check out the room. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. There's the. So we're just going to zoom in on this and just kind of show you what this is all about. These are kind of these old style colonial. What is this called? I can't. There's a name for it, but now they're more museum pieces. But they have these beautiful balconies. I'll zoom in on this one. And they're going to be having a Lusophonian festival here 18th, 19th, and 20th of October, which is coming up in a week. Actually, I'm just going to show you. Macau. Chiquinha, chiquinha.